Hi, so today I'm going to be giving you a quick crash course on how to send messages from your Cellcast account. So there are two ways to send messages. You have Campaign Manager, which is essentially sending a bulk message, or you have a quick message feature, which is great for one-to-one or small groups of people that you're sending SMS to. Now, first of all, I'm going to show you Campaign Manager, which is a bulk message. So first of all, you go to here on the navigation menu, so Campaign Manager, and then Send Campaign. Now, this will pop up where you have the option of creating an SMS campaign or an MMS campaign. Now, an MMS is including media such as images, videos, or GIFs, which you can see an example of here. But for this example, I'm going to show you an SMS campaign. So I'm going to select Get Started. Now here you'll see there is a drop down. Now this drop down is essentially where all of your saved campaigns will be stored. So once you create a campaign and you save this as a template, this is where all those templates will be saved, and you can select these to streamline any further campaigns. But for this example, we're going to start afresh, so I can just leave this as new campaign. Here it will ask for a campaign title. Now this is just for your reference. Your customers will not see this, so it's just so you can identify your campaigns within your report screen. So for this example, I'm going to call it Christmas Special. Then here you have a subtitle. Now again, this isn't mandatory, but it's just if you would like to add further description to your campaign title. So once you've given it a title, you can select Next Step. Now the first part of creating your SMS is selecting your sender ID, which is who the message will be sent from. So I'm going to send this from Cellcast, so a business name. Now, remember that when you send with a business name, it is for outbound communication only. So it's great for promotional or marketing or notificational messaging, as you can't receive replies. Now, once you've selected your sender ID, we can skip past this step as it's already registered. So now we can start to create the message content. So as it is a Christmas promotion, I'm going to put hi. Now, as I have previously uploaded my contacts to Cellcast and the contacts include their first name, I have the facility to include this in my SMS. So I'm going to go insert first name. Now it will appear like this when you insert it in your message, but when it actually is sent, this will auto-populate based on the information in the platform. So now I've got hi, first name, because I'm wanting to personalize the message. And then I'm going to then I'm going to type Christmas sale now live. Click here. So as you can see, you have the option to insert a web link. Now, it's great to utilize this feature as this tool will actually convert your URLs into smart and trackable links, and it will also shorten them for you, which is great to save on your character count. So you'll go insert web link. As you can see, there are 4 boxes. Now this top line here is just for your first link. And then this line here is if you're inserting an additional link. So I'm going to pop in my URL. You can copy and paste this in or type it out. And then on the left hand side here, you can give your link a name. So the format of the link will be go-site.cc / and then this section of the link can be customized. So I'm going to call it Cellcast. And I also don't want to include an additional smart link, so this can be left blank. Then you just go insert web link. Now, as you can see, the link has now populated here in the message. And what will happen is you will be able to track all the click-through rates of this link within your reports. So as the message is started to be created, as you can see, the character count has started to decrease. As you continue typing, this will continue to decrease, and it will also indicate how many SMS have been used, as one standard SMS in Australia is 160 characters, but this must include the opt-out. So this will leave you with around 134 characters per SMS. If you do go over this limit, it will be charged for 2 SMS, but your recipients will receive it as 1. Now, once you are happy with your message, you can utilize this feature here, which will be sending a test to your number, your personal number, for example. Now, please note this will use credits if you do test out your message. Now, just underneath the message content, you'll see the opt-out options. Now, because I'm sending with a business name and it limits it to outbound messages only, you are restricted to just the opt-out custom survey option, as recipients will not be able to reply stop, so this option is unavailable. However, the custom survey is a link in the message as seen here, and it can be customized further on in the process. So now that I'm happy with my message, then I can save this as a template if I wish, as it may be a template I use in the future or next Christmas. So I can select save as template. Now I can go to next step. So on this page, this is now where you select who the recipients will be of this particular campaign. So you have include all contacts. So this will select all of your contacts within your Cellcast account. You have select from client list. So once you create your list in list management, you will have this option here to select a particular list, or you can select multiple lists if you wish. It will show you how many recipients are in both of the lists or just the one. Or you can import a new list here as well. So you can select your file. And then the final option is copy and paste list. So you have the two options of it just being number, 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 number. Or if you are including first names in the message, then it would be in this format here. So the number, the first name, and then the next line would be number and first name. The most efficient way is to always upload your list first, which will then allow you to select from your client list, or if you would prefer to send this message to all of your contacts. Once you've selected your recipients, you can go to next step. Now this is where you select when the message will be sent. So you have the option of sending now, and you also have the option of scheduling your send. So for example, you may want to create your message today, but you don't want it to send till 9 a.m. tomorrow. So to do this, you can select your time. So I would like 9 a.m. tomorrow. So just select the time. And then you can select the date. So I will go Thursday. Now, you can also stagger your send as well, which will mean you can select a quantity of messages to be sent at different time intervals. Now, this is a great tool to use if you are receiving inbound SMS, as it makes it more manageable. However, I'm just going to leave this blank for this example, as I'm just wanting to send it at 9 a.m. tomorrow. Then I'm going to select next step. Now, this is a step in the process, which will be for the custom opt-out survey. If you are using the reply stop option, this will not be included in your process. However, as I'm sending with a business name, I have the capability of customizing my opt-out survey. So we do have a default option, which includes all of these responses here. But we also have the capability of customizing your fields. So you may want to put no longer in the area, and you can continue to add multiple different responses. I don't want to receive messages is mandatory, but the rest are customizable. For this example, I'm just going to use the default opt-out page, and then I select next step. Now, this screen is the final step of the process, and it's super important to always review this screen to make sure you're happy with your campaign before you confirm and schedule or confirm and send now. So this screen will show you the date of which the campaign is being sent. If you've scheduled it, it will also show you the specific scheduled time. It will show you the recipients you are sending to. So we selected these two lists, which included a total recipients of 11. Now here it will show you credits required. So as I'm sending to 11 recipients, and my SMS consists of one only, which is 160 characters or less. And as I'm sending with a business name, this will be charged at 1.3 credits per SMS. So 11 times 1.3 equals 14.3. It also shows you the number of characters within your message. So as you can see, it's a total of 92. So therefore it's only one SMS. You can see that there is 0 recipients who have previously unsubscribed, and the smart link is active as well. If you don't include a smart link, then this is something that will just say not active. Now, you can also include your email address here to send you a copy of this report. Now, once you are happy with this screen and you are happy with your campaign, you can go ahead and hit confirm and schedule, like so. Now, once you confirm your campaign and it is successfully done so, you will always see this screen. Please note that when you do create a campaign, there is a timeout on this. So if you do spend too long within Campaign Manager, it may time out. So the best way to know your campaign has been successfully created and sent is by seeing the blue screen that we have just seen. And you will also receive this notification here. Now that this campaign has been successfully scheduled, I can also check here within my reports. So any campaigns that you create or schedule will all be visible in View Reports. So as you can see here, I have the Christmas special campaign. I created it today at 3:57 p.m. and it's scheduled for the 19th of December at 9 a.m. If you wish to edit the time it's being sent, you can also do this here. And you can also view your campaign as well. So once this campaign is sent tomorrow, all of this information in the report will start to populate. So as I can see here, it's a list total of 11 recipients who will be receiving this message. Here you also have the smart link activity. So I will be able to see how many people have clicked on the link within my SMS campaign. Here you have the red receipt, which actually refers to the delivery rate of the message. So how many messages were successfully delivered out of the 11. And here you'll be able to see your unsubscribe, so who has opted out from this particular campaign, and they will therefore not receive any communication moving forward unless manually opted back in. And finally, customer replies. Now, this will not be applicable if you send with a business name. Any of the sending methods that allow for responses will be visible here. As you scroll through the report, you also have the opt-out survey results. So if you utilize this feature, you'll be able to see which recipients selected which of the opt-out responses. And again, you'll click through rate. And here it will give you a preview of your message. So as you can see, this name has now populated based on the information that the system has. So essentially, this is how you send a campaign on your Cellcast account. And here is where you will see all of your reports of any campaigns you have previously done as well. Now, another way to send messages on your Cellcast account, as mentioned previously, is Quick Message. Now, Quick Message is a great tool to use if you're sending to a small group of people or individuals. So you'd be able to go to Quick Message and send Quick Message. It's a similar process, but not as long. So essentially you can still have templates as well. You select your sender ID. Again, if it's already registered, you can skip this step. And here you can then input the numbers you wish this message to go to. And again, you can just type out your message as shown previously in Campaign Manager, which you can also utilize your custom fields as well. So this is a great tool to use if you're reaching out to any individuals in particular. So it's a super quick process rather than utilizing Campaign Manager, which is best used for any bulk messages. You'll also be able to see your outbound history for your quick messages. So you go to Quick Message and Outbound History. And here you will see all of your outbound messages that you've sent using the Quick Message tool. So this was just a video to show you how to send messages from your Cellcast account. If you do wish to discuss this in any more detail, please feel free to give us a call, or alternatively, you can book a demo with us through our website. Thank you.